Actually, don't know.
Would the real Aunt Mildred please stand
Is it
up?
nauseous again? Oh no.
Aw, you
You did that
got it.
because of the last one.
Whatever. That ghost has terrible penmanship.
What's up, Hoford? How are you?
Thanks to the ghost for not going into the light and instead staying here just to keep playing this dumb game with
Mod,
us.
how are y'all? Mod, answer them.
Let's try another one. In the Myers-Briggs type indicator, what does P stand for?
What does this mean? I don't know what this means. I don't know what this means, bro. What is a Myers? What is this? Easy? What does this mean? MBTI, bro. I don't know what that means.
Who picked this?
You guys are fucking nerds. That's all I've learned.
I want to show you something. Good news, it's math. Do as much math as you can before time runs out. Everyone else will be playing along. If one of them does better than you, it's punishment time. Let's go. Numbers come in all shapes and sizes. I mean, you just gotta love that. This is pretty much the end of the time. Looks like you brought a knife to a math fight.
Nerd? What the fuck? Guys, it's like the simple. You guys act like it's adding for like the quadratic formula or like calc or some shit. It's literally like 9 plus 1.
It's checkout time and too many of you are still alive. Let's fix that.
Oh, dude, I lost this one last time. It's the keys.
You've been very resilient, but only one of you can
Oh, don't be
survive
sorry to
this
me. Be
game.
sorry to yourself, Lauren.
I hope you can
You're the one
hold
that's
your
dead.
breath. Only one of these keys will open the lock to your tank. Pick the right key before you drown. There are worse ways to go. Unless
I
you're
just got
afraid of
RNG diffed
drowning,
again.
Then it's real bad.
I just got RNG diffed. All right. And I'm at the end because I'm
Let's see if you're
poor.
the one to make it here alive, but will you
I'm
be the one to
poor.
escape? I'm going to give you a category. Parts of an animal cell. Tap each answer that fits the category and then press submit. Let's see the right answers.
Dan the
You
man.
move
What's
forward
up?
one space for
Hey,
each
Maddie.
correct answer. You're a little bit closer to escaping.
Hey.
Oh wait.
What's
did
up?
You think it was going to be just you? Aw, that's cute. If a ghost catches you,
Just
they'll
say my
steal your
name.
life force. Then they can try to escape and win the game. Here's
Hey, you're not in
everyone's
this.
next
Hey,
question.
you're not in this one.
And they get a third chance to
Wait,
help
were you?
catch
You were
up
in the
to
last
you.
one, weren't you?
Time is almost up. Those ghosts are closing in on you. People who
Wait, Claire, do you have COVID? Satina, oh my God, happy birthday, dude! Hope we're having a great birthday, dude. Sending lots of love. Happy birthday to you. Everyone's a happy birthday to Tina.
Vehicles.
A Honda Fit? What is that?
Don't look
We have a good
behind
birthday,
you.
Tina. Sending lots of love, bro. You're so drunk. You're all good. Stay safe, dude.
Are you
Have a good
afraid of the
birthday.
dark? love stories where they don't end up together.
Well, they die in Titanic, so probably not, right?
Stop.
I put Crazy Rich Asians.
The darkness approaches. Former British colonies.
No idea. I put none of them. Wow, I'm dumb as fuck apparently.
Too slow, so you gotta go. Golf clubs.
Oh, I'm cooked. I'm literally cooked. Okay, we still alive?
Getting pretty close to the exit. Foot-specific problems. Time is almost up.
Wait, you can only have a blister on your foot?
It's not over yet. You need a perfect answer for your final escape. And that includes the third answer choice now, too.
What the fuck? I didn't know that.
You have to get all the right answers to escape. The darkness approaches. Poisonous plants. You're not going anywhere. You killed your friend. Better get away fast. Crayola crayon colors. Time is almost up.
Wait, who won? Who won? Me? Nerd. Nerd.